This is a 1970s Remington Streamliner typewriter. It has been refurbished. Everything works as it should, and it's ready to type. This typewriter looks really nice. The keys are very smooth and almost glossy. It's really easy to type with. It has a few blemishes, like any vintage machine. Just a little mark there, but not much. Types really well. This typewriter also comes with the cover that is actually the case. Lift up on these round parts to disengage the latch. And the handle folds down, so you need to raise it back up when you're ready to type. The case, the cover here is plastic, and you can see that one of these tabs is broken off. And it has some chunks broke out of it here too. But it does still cover the typewriter. That's the 1970s Remington Streamliner.